Hello and welcome back. So it's been a while since the last devlog, but what I thought I'd do is just show you off a little bit of what I've been doing today on my development stream. Hope you might find it interesting. So the most recent thing I did towards the end of the session, I went into Twine 2. This is a software for doing sort of narratives, branching path narratives, basically. It's quite good. I mean, it's free, which is fantastic. But what it basically allows you to do is to create a HTML document, and you can go into that and you can just explore your writing. So we've got this character plot going on here, and from a writing perspective, I think what I mostly did was do this. So we've got this character. He claims to know something about earthing that he's going to share with you, and he's been preaching noisily and attracting some attention from our other settlers. One day he preaches about the importance of the umbilical cord, the next he preaches about breathing exercises and candles. Sometimes he'll shout for hours on end, and he keeps repeating things about flowers and salt. He asks his followers to crawl in and out of a cave with him. How would you advise other settlers to treat him? I think I'm quite pleased with that. I think if I read that, I wouldn't know what to make of this guy at all. I'd probably think he was mad. And that's why I've got this quote in here from Senator Shaw, where he says he seems particularly interested in attracting young female followers. He hasn't lost his mind then. So it's a question: what would you do? Encourage and listen to him, or ignore him? Either way, you encourage and listen to him. You then get a choice. So this would be in game. This would be randomly generated, and then it proceeds into working out the rest of the storyline, which I still need to write. That's fine. That's good progress for the day. The other thing I did, I played with my wheel of development options, and I came up with let's get the bananas and coconuts working. So I've got those functional in the game. So if you go into game and load up an island, you can actually get your food supplies from an island with bananas and coconut, which was something new developed today. And we had a little look at our name generator as well, and we fixed up some of the. We had a very kindly had a guest from Holland came to join us for a little bit of a game, and he talked. We had a little look at the Dutch names. He seemed to think he seemed to suggest a couple of changes to them, which I've taken on board. So if we have a look at our name spawner, yeah, our Dutch names, we've got rid of. We've got this new one, Heed. It's a very Dutch name, apparently, very common Dutch name. That's good with Lars and Berend and Art and Janssen. Janssen now spelled with one S rather than two. I think perhaps a more modern spelling. But anyway, this is all good. And yeah, and it's been a productive three hours I spent on this day. It's been a good day. Anyway, thanks all. I'll probably message you again tomorrow.